Hello there, Professor Warsi. Today, I'm going to show you how to write effective topic sentences. So this lesson is a step-by-step guide for academic writing. If you are a college student or a high school student, you will be writing a lot of essays for your professor, for your English teacher. So in this lesson, we will learn how to write strong topic sentences that introduce the main point of a paragraph. It's also important to know that topic sentences support the thesis statement, which is usually written in the introductory paragraph, the first paragraph of an academic essay. So today's objectives are to define a topic sentence, identify its key components, differentiate between strong and weak topic sentences, and also practice writing effective topic sentences. So we will do all of that. Let's start. What is a topic sentence? First and foremost, a topic sentence introduces the main point of a paragraph. So it usually begins a paragraph with the first sentence of a paragraph. It provides a clear focus for the reader. The purpose of a topic sentence is to tell the reader the main point of a body paragraph. And it also helps maintain a logical flow in writing. So just be patient. We will learn all of this. So don't be nervous. It's all right. We will get through this together. But there are two parts of a topic sentence, right? It's called a topic sentence because it has two parts. The first one is the subtopic that elaborates on the topic of the essay. A subtopic is what the paragraph is about, the body paragraph. And a topic sentence has a controlling idea, which is the writer's opinion or the focus of the paragraph. So let's look at some examples. Regular exercise improves mental health by reducing stress. What's the topic of the sentence? It's exercise, right? The sentence is about doing regular exercise. And what is the controlling idea? That regular exercise improves mental health. So do you see how there are two parts to a topic sentence? Now, what is wrong with the weak one? Exercise is good. Do you think the reader will like that topic sentence? Does it give the reader anything specific, like the strong one? Improves mental health. How? By reducing stress. This is a really weak topic sentence. The paragraph begins with exercise is good. But people know that already. The reader says, I know that exercise is good. What are you going to tell me in this body paragraph? Let's look at another pair of strong and weak topic sentences. Smoking cigarettes can be an expensive habit. So the writer is telling the reader that cigarettes are expensive, they're not cheap. The topic is smoking cigarettes, and the controlling idea is that it's an expensive habit, right? A weak topic sentence is smoking cigarettes is bad. Do you think anybody will disagree with you? They will say, no, smoking cigarettes is really healthy, right? Even a chain smoker will agree with you because they know smoking is bad, that it causes lung cancer, but they still smoke because they're addicted to cigarettes. So let's do a little exercise here, identifying topic and controlling idea. I'll explain one to you and then you do the rest by yourself, okay? The first one, opening a Roth IRA. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. Opening a Roth IRA account at an early age is a wise decision, right? If a person starts contributing to their retirement account at the age of 20, if they have a job and they're making money, then by the time they're 70 years old, they'll have lots of money, right, in their account. So opening a Roth IRA account is the topic of this sentence. And what is the controlling idea? That it's a wise idea to start contributing early, at a young age. Okay, so then once we know that the controlling idea is to start contributing at an early age, that is the point that will be developed in the rest of the body paragraph. So I have another lesson on writing well-developed body paragraphs. That's a separate lesson. For now, let's just focus on the topic sentence. Okay, so do the rest by yourself and see if you can identify the topic and the controlling idea. All right, so why do topic sentences matter? Okay, they are very important. They matter a lot in academic writing because, one, they guide the reader. They help the reader understand how the essay is developing from one body paragraph to another. They keep writing focused, and they help organize ideas clearly. Okay, a bad topic sentence. I gave you a couple of examples of really weak topic sentences. Books are interesting. That's not a good topic sentence, is it? It's too vague. It's too general. And more importantly, there is no controlling idea in this topic sentence. Books are interesting. So we know the topic of the sentence is books, not newspapers. But still, there is no controlling idea. So let's look at another example of a good topic sentence. I want to give you lots of examples so you get used to writing good topic sentences. Reading fiction enhances creativity by encouraging imagination. Now, why is this a good topic sentence? The topic is very clear. Can you tell what the topic is? It's reading fiction, such as novels or maybe a short story. And what's the controlling idea? That if people read novels, that it improves their creativity because they're inspired. If the novel is written really well, they're inspired, like, wow, this is great. The writer is so good, the novelist. Okay, how do we fix weak topic sentences? Let's say you're writing an essay and now you're about to write your body paragraphs. And you have to think of at least 3 topic sentences because usually an academic essay has 5 paragraphs, an introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. So let's look at a weak topic sentence first. Dogs are nice pets. Sure. Do you think that is a strong topic sentence? We can improve it easily by adding a good controlling idea. Dogs make excellent pets. Okay, the reader is going to say, how do they make excellent pets? Because they're loyal. And it is true, right? Dogs are very loyal, faithful to their owners, and affectionate. Okay, so let's do one exercise. Identify the good topic sentence. There are 2. One is weak, and the other one is strong. Can you tell? The second exercise, choosing the better topic sentence. So I've given you pairs of topic sentences. 1 has 2, 2 has 2, and 3 has 2 topic sentences. Your job is to read both and pick one. You said, I like this one better. I think this is a much better topic sentence. If you do these exercises correctly, if you get the answers right, your writing will improve. Okay? Let's look at a body paragraph. The title of this essay is The Importance of a Healthy Diet. And the topic sentence is, maintaining a healthy diet is essential for overall well-being and longevity, like living a long life if you eat well. Okay, the salad, for example, looks like a Greek salad. And the rest of the paragraph develops this controlling idea, right? Elaborates on the topic sentence. So pause the video here, read the body paragraph very carefully and see how the topic sentence is developed. Okay, now there are different types of paragraphs. It depends on what the topic of the essay is. So, narrative. If you're telling the reader a story, maybe it's the story of your own life, and it's a short story that you're writing. Moving to a new city changed my life. That is how you start a paragraph. Descriptive. Let's say you are describing your hometown, or even better, your house or a park where you used to play with your friends. you will need descriptive adjectives. The old library had a mysterious atmosphere. That's a topic sentence for a descriptive paragraph. Or expository paragraph. Exercise reduces stress and improves mood. Okay, let's continue on. Write a strong topic sentence. It's time for you to practice what you have learned. Write a topic sentence, a strong one, on the given topic. So I'm giving you a topic and I'm asking you to write a topic sentence. Keep in mind that this point, or the main point, will be developed in one body paragraph. So keep the focus very narrow. Online education, and that's too general. That's just a topic. Learning online, taking a course online. Online education, write a topic sentence about it. Make sure that you have a very clear controlling idea. Okay? Practice 2. I'm giving you the subtopic, social media. Again, that is too general. Social media influences society. How? Okay, complete the sentence. Social media is the topic. It influences society. How? What does social media do to the people or the users? There are some common mistakes that you should avoid when you write a topic sentence. Avoid being too vague, unclear, too general, like sports are fun, or smoking is bad, or even starting a fact. The sky is blue. That is stating the obvious. Do you think the reader does not know that the sky is blue? So that's a really common mistake in writing. Most of my students begin a body paragraph with a fact. And I, as a reader, because I read their papers, right? I'm the one who grades the papers. So I say, okay, I already know this. What is the main point of this paragraph? Or definitely this is the most egregious error, serious error, is to not write a controlling idea. Reading is good. What do you think the reader will ask you? How is reading good? I hate reading. I don't like to read. Why should I read? So you will have to convince the reader in this paragraph. Reading is good because. So practice writing strong topic sentences. Reading is good. Can you turn that into a very good, strong topic sentence with a controlling idea? Try it. Okay, let's do a quiz now. Choose the better topic sentence. You have done this before, so by now you should have gotten used to it. Which one is better? Exercise benefits health by improving heart function, or exercise is something people do? Which is better? Okay, let's take another quiz. Choose the better topic sentence. 1. Technology is important. 2. Technology improves communication by making it faster and more efficient. Which of these topic sentences do you think is better? Strong. Let's do one more exercise. I have given you quite a few topic sentences that are weak, and that is why I'm asking you to improve them. Video games are fun. Technology is useful. Learning a new language is good. Who would disagree that it's not good to learn a new language, right? The more languages you know, the broader your worldview becomes. You learn to appreciate other cultural values. QCC is a great college. Okay, how is it great? So give yourself some time. This is going to take you a while. Ideally, I would like you to improve each of the topic sentences. There are 8 topic sentences. See if you can rewrite these topic sentences and make them stronger. Okay. So thesis statement and topic sentences. I have actually more than one lesson on thesis statements. There is a thesis statement for argumentative essays in which the writer makes a claim, takes a position, and supports it. But this lesson is about topic sentences, but it would be important for you to learn how to write a thesis statement first before you get to the topic sentences. So I'll leave a link in the description box, link to a lesson on thesis statements. So thesis statement. I have given you a snapshot of an academic essay. So the first one, the thesis statement, usually appears toward the end of the introductory paragraph, the first part of an academic essay. College state students should not use smartphones in the classroom because they distract from learning, hinder face-to-face communication skills, and encourage academic dishonesty. Right? That is the thesis statement. So the point of the writer is that it's not good for college students to use smartphones when they're learning in the classroom. Yeah? It keeps them from learning. It keeps them from making direct eye contact with their professor and their classmates if they're doing some group work. There are 3 topic sentences. Read them, read each of the topic sentences carefully and see how they support the thesis statement. This is going to take you a while, so give yourself some time. Pause the video here before moving on. Read the thesis statement carefully and then read the 3 topic sentences and notice how they support the thesis statement. Okay? All right. Another exercise I'm leaving you with is I'm giving you a thesis statement and I need you to write 3 topic sentences each supporting the thesis statement. Okay? You may want to go back to the previous slide and study it again because I've given you a thesis statement and 3 topic sentences. This time it's your job to write your own topic sentences. All right? One more exercise, okay, to reinforce learning. If you completed the previous exercise, again, here's another thesis statement for you. Write 3 topic sentences to support the thesis statement. So let's summarize today's lesson. A topic sentence guides the paragraph because each body paragraph has a topic sentence, right? It has a controlling idea. The controlling idea limits the focus of the body paragraph, and we need to avoid being too vague or just simply state a fact. All right? Okay, some final thoughts before we end today's lesson is always have a clear controlling idea. After you write a topic sentence at the beginning of a body paragraph, before you move on, reread it, read it very carefully, and make sure that there is a controlling idea in the topic sentence. Make sure your topic sentence connects to the paragraph. The rest of the paragraph should support your topic sentence. And of course, you have to keep practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect. So practice writing topic sentences daily, and you will see a remarkable improvement in your ability to articulate your thoughts clearly. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this lesson, and I hope you did well on the exercises. Feel free to drop a line and ask me questions. All right. In the next lesson, I will teach you how to make an argument using ethos, logos, and pathos. But for now, practice writing topic sentences. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.